My wife and I started out doing one thing a year. You know, we purchased a fix and flip property in our first year, and then we purchased a 3-unit property the next. And then we sold the fix and flip the next year. It was probably the longest fix and flip to happen, but a lot of lessons learned, and this was very new to the game, and that's how you get through it. You have to take those steps though. And then the second year we bought a 3-unit property. And then the next year we bought another 2-unit property. And we just continued to try and do one thing every year. In the last year we purchased a few portfolio type properties, and our total unit count increased our net worth. And sometimes we look at bigger properties, and sometimes we look at these apartment complexes. And sometimes we still look at these single family homes or 2, 3, and 4 unit properties. But you just have to keep chipping away.